everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Eureka J20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. I did receive the sample from Eureka, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this RoboVac or you want to find out more about the J20, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks great. They walk you through some key tech specs and information on all the different sides of the box. Here's a highlight of some of its key features. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents, including the station behind me right here. We can't forget about that. First, you'll see all of our product literature, full user guide and manual, app setup instructions. We actually have some product literature with our mop pad right here walking us through proper setup. We can also take a look at that mop pad. Really a unique and cool design. We'll talk about that later. You'll also notice our 2-year warranty information with customer service and contact info. Next, we have our bottle of cleaning solution, shrink wrapped for us so there's no leakage or spillage. Power cord. We have our base ramp right here that we have to install on the station. We have our cleaning tray right here that's removable. And then we have the RoboVac. Let's look at that in more detail. Looking at the vacuum from the top, you'll notice we have some plastic protective wrap that we can peel off right there, revealing 2 control buttons, LiDAR navigation module up there with their logo and branding. I like the 2-tone color scheme and design that we have going on here at the top. You'll find that the top is also removable. Just a couple magnets hold the top in place, revealing a multi-purpose cleaning tool, on and off button, connection button, reset button, and our Wi-Fi indicator light. We also have our QR code to download the app and activate the product during setup. We also have our dustbin right here. Take a look at that. We can pop this open to get access to our filter for cleaning as needed. And then that just snaps right shut. And then we can go ahead and pull this open to reveal the contents inside. If we ever need to clean or manually empty the dustbin, we can do that right there. And then here's a look at the inside with the dustbin removed. Now we'll look at the vacuum from the side. So on the back, first you'll notice we have our charging contacts here. For auto drainage only, do not press. And it looks like we have our water inlet right there. We have a purple button we can press to pop out and reveal, you guessed it, our water tank right here. That's neat that it's removable for us. And here's a look at some of the inside right there with that removed. And you're getting a nice peek at the mopping pad that's already installed. And this can just go ahead, you can line it back up and snap it in place. Here's a look at it from the side. We need to remove that before use. See some venting. We have our navigational bumper. We got to remove this film before use too. That's our 3D obstacle avoidance system there, all that sensor array. Going to help it navigate, see, and process its environment. We got AI Robotic sensor tech here on the side, branded in, some additional venting, and then we're back to the back side. Looking at it from the bottom, we have our 2 spring-loaded drive wheels, Cliff Sensors omnidirectional wheel. We do have one included side cleaning brush. We can install that. It just gently snaps right in place. So just line it up and press it in. Here's a look at our main brush roller. Pretty cool, easy to remove and clean as needed, and then it just snaps right back in place. Important note, the V-shaped brush design gathers some of the bristles into a V shape at the tip, allowing for easy and tangle-free cleaning with a single stroke. Additionally, we have dust guide strips to ensure that no small particles such as coffee grounds, dust, flour, pet hair, or other debris are missed when vacuuming. And then here's a look at our mopping pad and module right here on the bottom side of the back with 2 additional wheels that are attached to the water tank. And here's a look at our station. From the top, you'll notice clean water tank, dustbin, dirty water tank. Let's go ahead and pull each of them out so you can see them up close. This is our dirty water tank equipped with a float and our max level indicator there. And then this cover just pops open. Pretty neat. Nice seal to it as well. That's going to be the dirty water tank. And there's a look inside with it removed. And that just slides right back down in with that nice grip handle. Let's look at the clean water tank next. So take a look. There's the clean water tank right here. Same thing. We can just pop this open to reveal the inside to easily fill up under a faucet. And there's a look inside with it removed. Next, we have our dustbin. So we can pop that open to reveal an already installed vacuum bag. We can pull that out really quick. And inside further down, we have a filter right here. We can remove, clean, and replace as needed. And then we can just install our vacuum bags the same way we removed it. Just gently press it in, and then you can put the cover right back on. Also at the top, we have some instructions. We can peel that sticker off if we want, but our start button controls and our recharge button controls right there built into the top. Here's a look at the left side. Here's a look at the right side. Here's a look at the very bottom. We have 4 grip feet with a lot of traction. And here's a look at the back side, just so we could fit it in frame. This is the top and this is the bottom of the station. Power plug right here. Cable management channel that routes the cable down and underneath both sides of the unit. That's great, so this can go flush against a wall. We also have a little cover right here. If you peel that out, it reveals a micro USB port. I'm guessing that's for troubleshooting and technical support. And we got our product info right there. And now here's a look at the front, top, and bottom of the station. And then inside here, we have our charging contacts, self-empty channel, and then all of our water refilling and cleaning. That'll happen right here on the side and down at the bottom. We do need to install our removable tray and our base ramp. The tray just snaps right in place. So there we go, we have the tray right there, and then you can just grab it to remove as needed, but it only fits one way in there. So just go ahead, put it in, you'll be all set and ready to go. And then our base ramp's just gonna snap right on. We got 4 areas where it's gonna make contact that you would just press it in place. So now you're looking at the base ramp installed. And here's a look at everything set up. As the J20 tackles cleaning around the house, let's explore some of its core features. The mopping system is going to be what sets this unit apart from the competition. Its RollRenew Mopping System offers cutting-edge cleaning for hard floors, comparable even to upright floor washers. It employs a dual-tank system integrated into the robot itself, continuously washing the cycling Belt-Mop and eliminating dirty water for a thorough clean. Its features include that cycling Belt-Mop design, robot-integrated dual-tank system, 5 mop cleaning spray nozzles, built-in mop scraper, and a wide mop with strong downward cleaning pressure. The benefits include effectively handling heavy messes like stubborn stains while preventing secondary contamination through real-time cleaning rather than spreading dirt throughout the house. The J20 boasts powerful 8,000 PA suction, making it the strongest robot vacuum in Eureka's lineup. This suction power combined with automatic boost on carpets effectively captures hair, dirt, dust, and debris from all surfaces. It offers 4 suction levels for a thorough cleaning experience. The J20 adopts a single-sided brush design with 2 squeegees at the bottom, enhancing debris gathering efficiency without scattering. It includes ultrasonic carpet detection and 2 types of mops, fluffy and half fluffy, automatically adjusting cleaning based on the mop type to prevent wetting carpets. Benefits of this cleaning system include thorough debris capture, residue-free cleaning, efficient debris gathering, and deep carpet cleaning without wetting. The Eureka J20 exhibits advanced intelligence with its DuoDetect AI obstacle identification system, addressing the high demand for obstacle avoidance in robot vacuums. Utilizing AI dual vision structured light and 3D recognition technology, it features 2-line lasers akin to human eyes for precise obstacle detection and dynamic sensing. This system enables rapid comprehension of home layouts and accurate obstacle identification, ensuring seamless and efficient cleaning. The vacuum also boasts LiDAR navigation and LDS sensors that allow for fast, detailed mapping plus efficient path planning. The vacuum also has a 22mm threshold crossing ability, which helps prevent getting stuck in various environments. Like other top-of-the-line vacuum and mops, the J20 offers a hands-free cleaning experience with its innovative all-in-one base station. This automated hub efficiently manages multiple cleaning tasks, including collecting dirty water, washing the mop, refilling clean water, emptying dust, adding detergent, and drying the mop, all conveniently in one location. With generous 3.5-liter capacity tanks for both dirty and clean water, along with a 3-liter dust bag, it ensures up to 75 days of uninterrupted operation. To address concerns about odors, a built-in ventilation system maintains continuous air circulation within the dust bag compartment, effectively preventing odor buildup. With features like automatic mop washing, dust box emptying, dirty water collection, mop drying, clean water refilling, detergent adding, and an air circulation system, the Eureka J20 provides a carefree cleaning experience, simplifying household chores. Everything comes together with the upgraded Eureka app. It brings a new level of interaction and control to the Eureka J20. Users can enjoy comprehensive control over their vacuum, from setting cleaning schedules to adjusting suction power and creating custom cleaning zones and barriers. Integration with Alexa and Google Home further enhance convenience, transforming the Eureka J20 into not just a cleaning device, but a smart home companion. Using the app to get customizable cleaning settings, multi-floor mapping, virtual walls, no-go zones, and voice control allow you to tailor your cleaning experience to your own personal preferences and needs.
Wastewater tank removed.
All right, so we just finished our first clean. Let's take a look at the results here. I have the dustbin and we're gonna gently open it up to see what sort of contents it was able to vacuum up. Look at that. Tons of pet hair, human hair. So I have a long-haired dog, 3 long-haired individuals living in my house. So we have a lot of hair. And sure enough, that's what we picked up right here. Little piece of plastic bag. And then look at those larger crumbs and particles down at the bottom. This is pretty impressive because I had the mop pad on that prevents it from going up on carpets or rugs. So this is just the residue from the hard floors and surfaces on the main level of my house. So really disgusting. All the hair shedding there that we can see, grass clippings, dirt, mulch, sticks, food. I mean, look at all that in there. Wide variety and assortment of what it's going to be able to capture, whether it's big or small. And looking at the bottom side, we have our typical tangles here. Your results will vary depending on how hairy your household is and how long those hairs are. Side cleaning brush has a couple of human hairs tangled on it, so you want to maintain that. And same with the main roller brush here. Every once in a while, come through, cut them off, detangle everything, so you can get the best performance possible with your vacuum operating as it should be without any hairs there. And looking at the mop pad, it looks brand new still. Let's pop this off really quick. You'll see it from both sides. No discoloration or staining or anything like that. Keeping it nice and clean. Keep in mind too, you have 2 different mop pads. So again, this one's gonna be for hard floors and surfaces only when you just want to mop, and it's smart enough to detect this mop pad versus the other one, which will allow it to go on carpets. That's what this side is for right here. That will be on the carpet, so it's not gonna make contact with the mop. So it's smart enough to know if this one's installed, it will just clean your hard floors and it will avoid your carpets and rugs. If this mop pad is installed, then it's going to clean your carpets and your floors. And when it encounters your carpets, it's going to flip this around. So this is what's making contact with your carpets as opposed to a wet or dirty mop pad. And last but not least, here's the cleaning tray that's removable. We have some evaporated water here, leaving behind a little bit of dirt residue. Couple of hairs, grass clippings, little piece of, looks like a little flower head right there. But very easy to rinse this down. It's removable, put it under the sink, and you're all set and ready to go. The Eureka J20 stands out as a top-tier cleaning solution, combining cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design features to deliver exceptional performance. Its RollRenew Mopping System ensures thorough cleaning for hard floors, while its powerful 8000 PA suction and intelligent obstacle identification system provide effective debris capture and seamless navigation. The hands-free cleaning experience is further enhanced by the all-in-one base station, which streamlines multiple tasks with its automated functionality. Moreover, the upgraded Eureka app adds a new dimension of control and convenience, allowing users to customize cleaning settings and integrate with smart home devices for a truly custom-tailored cleaning experience. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly design, the Eureka J20 redefines home cleaning, making it effortless and efficient.